Hi there, I'm Francisco. I'm one of the product managers here at Glofox, and today I want to give you a quick tour as well as some tips for Amplify, our customer engagement platform. You can find it by going to the Connect tab and then the Messages section, at which point you will see Amplify's workflows listed at the top with the respective tag. Amplify allows us to create automated sequences of messages that reach your customers at different points of their journey. This allows you to make sure that everyone is getting a consistent messaging, which is great for making sure that you can convert leads more effectively, that you can retain members for longer, and it also makes sure that you can do this effortlessly without having to worry whether you've sent the right message at the right time. Looking at the existing workflows that are available, we have the new leads and the new clients workflows, as well as one that is coming soon for members that are about to expire, so stay tuned for more. If we start by activating our workflows, we can then go into the new leads, and we see that this workflow starts when a lead enters the system. This could be because they went through the lead capture form or the mobile app or were manually added by staff. And they will then receive this sequence of messages up until the point that either the messages run out or when they purchase first service, like a membership or a credit pack, at which point they would be moved over to the new client's workflow. Each of these messages can then be individually edited to tailor to what makes the most sense for how you communicate with your customers, although we have a template in place which we've seen works well for most locations. A great idea here as well is to progressively try to add more incentives as the days go on so that the lead sees more benefits in converting. This could be a discount or an extra offer. We've seen this work well if it's included in the subject line of the emails, as well as then as the body of the message. We can then also track how we're doing if we go in here into the Insights tab, at which point we'll see how many leads we've contacted, how many messages were sent, as well as the breakdown of emails and SMS. In this case, we're doing an email-only flow. We can also see how that breakdown goes according to the days, and the specific leads that were targeted, including when they were created, the most recent message that they received, and when that message was sent, showing where they are on their journey. We can then go to the new clients workflow, which is quite similar in that it has a created template for how to best engage. In this case, it starts after they've had that first conversion. And so whereas the first workflow is more dedicated to helping you convert the leads, this one is for onboarding those new customers and maximizing that retention during the first 90 days, which is so key for keeping them in the long run. Here we've also seen good strategies either for not only adding more contextual benefits of the services that you provide, but also trying to upsell, for example, friend referral programs or some of the retail offerings that you may have at the studio. And so some of those techniques can be really good not only to ensure retention, but also to bring in some extra revenue as part of their onboarding. And at the moment, that is what is currently available for Amplify. And as you can see here, we will soon have more workflows that will also make sure that you can engage with members at risk of churning, also facilitating that ability to retain customers for longer. We're excited to share more on that soon. So thank you so much. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us.